71 species in genus Argentina. The underappreciated allure of Argentina, a plant hunter's perspective. My name is Vu, and I've spent the better part of my life captivated by the world of plants. The thrill of discovery, the intricate beauty of a single bloom, the sheer diversity of life, it all draws me in. Recently, my obsession has been the genus Argentina, a group of plants often overlooked, their charm understated. But to a keen eye, they hold a unique appeal. These members of the Rosaceae family, sometimes called silverweeds, are often mistaken for their close relatives, the Potentillus. But there's a subtle distinction, a quiet elegance that sets Argentina apart. Their leaves, often silvery green, have a delicate texture, and their flowers, though small, possess a simple beauty. They thrive in diverse environments, from coastal dunes to alpine meadows, demonstrating a resilience that I admire. The subtle charm of Argentina. What truly fascinates me about Argentina is their understated nature. They don't demand attention with flamboyant blooms or overpowering scents. Instead, they whisper their beauty, inviting closer inspection. It's in the intricate details of their leaves, the subtle variations in flower color, the way they colonize a landscape with quiet determination. A chance encounter in the Andes. My journey into the world of Argentina began with a chance encounter during a botanical expedition in the Andes. I stumbled upon a patch of Argentina anserina, the common silverweed, its silvery leaves shimmering in the sunlight. I was struck by its tenacity, growing in the harsh, rocky terrain. That sparked a curiosity that has led me to explore the genus in greater depth. Diverse habitats, resilient species. Since then, I've had the opportunity to observe Argentina species in a variety of habitats. I've seen Argentina aegidii, edged silverweed, clinging to cliffs on the coast of Greenland, its delicate yellow flowers defying the harsh winds. I've marveled at the dense mats of Argentina pacifica, the Pacific silverweed, carpeting meadows in the Pacific Northwest. Each encounter has deepened my appreciation for this unassuming genus, contributing to botanical knowledge. One of the most rewarding aspects of my work is the opportunity to contribute to the body of knowledge about Argentina. Many species remain poorly understood, their distribution and ecological roles still shrouded in mystery. Through careful observation and documentation, I hope to shed light on these hidden gems, ensuring their conservation for future generations. The challenge of classification. The study of Argentina is not without its challenges. Their taxonomic classification is complex, with ongoing debate about the precise number of species and their relationships to other plants. But these challenges only fuel my passion. Unraveling the mysteries of Argentina is a pursuit that brings me immense satisfaction. A compendium of Argentina species. In the spirit of sharing my fascination, I've compiled a list of 71 species within the Argentina genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. An invitation to explore. This list serves as a starting point for those interested in exploring the diversity of Argentina. I encourage you to delve deeper, to seek out these plants in their natural habitats, and to appreciate their subtle beauty. You might be surprised by what you discover. The wonders of the plant world. The world of plants is full of wonders, and Argentina, though often overlooked, is no exception. Their resilience, their quiet beauty, their ecological significance, it all speaks to the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. As I continue my exploration of this fascinating genus, I am filled with a sense of awe and gratitude for the opportunity to witness the understated allure of Argentina.